Hello friends, welcome to ServiceNow 911. Today we discuss about ServiceNow HRSD. This particular practice is in demand, and if you are trying to learn this video is for you because it provides you the fundamentals of ServiceNow HRSD, the core meaning which will help you to get started. So let's get started. What is HRSD? You must heard about HR. Okay, in your company as well there is HR. There is a complete HR department, and the life of an employee, it depends heavily on HR. Because if you think, starting from the recruitment, the very first interaction you must had with an HR, and then after leaving the company as well you have to interact with HR. So if the HR services are robust, if the HR services are employee friendly, it will provide tremendous value to the employee with respect to the company. So you can say HRSD is a way to innovate, automate and integrate HR and the employee, the whole perspective of it. The more robust, the more user friendly HR services you get, the more happy will be the employee. And because of that, the employee will provide more time to the company, the employee will provide more time, more innovation, more focus towards their work. If we talk about the services of HR, you can find it in onboarding, you can find it in recruitment, you can find it in compensation, payroll, after services, and all and all and all, right? You cannot count how many services HR department is providing to you. So that is why this practice is in boom, because ServiceNow is automating all of the experience and providing best value to the company. Along with that, it provides more opportunity for the HRs to being so creative, to being supportive to the employee and get mingle with the employee to provide best results. If you start working on HRSD, you will find n number of applications associated with it. These applications are nothing but the services which are provided to the HR. Let's say case management, which helps you to get any help from the HR to trigger or to shoot any kind of issue and discuss it with the HR immediately. It contains document management. You must know documentation is most important part of HR. When you join the company, you will have to sign n number of documents and you have to deposit various documents. So like this, you can use document management to automate the documentation, acquiring and processing experience. Along with that, we have Journey Accelerator, which will help employees and manager to transition the roles as soon as possible. And there are many other benefits. So whatever you think, ServiceNow is providing that service within an application under the suite of HRSD. So I hope if you are starting the HRSD now, you must have a clear picture of the entire application and what is actually going to do, what is the end result of it. So if you like the video, share it with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.